Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 13th episode of my reaction video on Chasing in the Wild. Oo, pang 13 na and last 14 episodes to go before its ending. Pero bago yon, gusto ko lang sabihin na grabe talaga itong series na to. It's on the book itself. Para siyang hinango talaga sa book kasi lahat ng scenes ay yun, kuha nila kung ano yung nasa book. So, nakakatawa. Ang sarap ulit-ulitin. Pero sa episode 11, kasi ayoko nang masaktan. Sobrang sakit ng episode na yun at hindi pa rin matanggal yung bubog sa puso from that episode. But anyways, episode 13 na tayo and nasa present time na tayo. Actually, sa episode 12 pa lang is nasa present time na tayo. But 13, nandito yung mga mas exciting part. Yung nasiraan ng car, naghabulan sa highway. So, let's see kung paano pa i-execute ni Derek tong mga last few episodes of Chasing in the Wild. And I'm so excited kasi I know this series will be a success kasi ang daming nag-abang nito. Ang daming may favorite sa series na to. And nakakatawa kasi consistent yung kung ano yung nasa book, yun yung ginagawa nila. And ang dami ko nang sinabi. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. I cannot. Yun na.
I would like to introduce you all to our head engineer.
Oh my God, sinikilig ako dito. Maragilin.
Who will also be sharing a few words.
Si Leslie Desma.
Paano ka?
Tabi po kayo ni Engineer Camero.
Yes, binay-love ka na naman.
Yung pala mo baliktad.
Ganda ng ngiti. Oh my God, ito. Oh my God. Ay, alam mo. Ano ba
Ako
yan?
pa talaga mag-a-adjust. Habulin mo ako.
Ang golden pala. Uy, parang ibang meaning yun, ha?
Habulin kita. You're going home now, right?
Sana all yung nahabol. Uy, ang ganda ni Elise. Mas bagay yung hair niya ngayon. Yung nakataas. Kesa yung black hair na talaga.
What's my schedule for today?
Wala, madam.
Should I go to Batangas and bring it back to him?
Oo nga,
But
kung
why
anong
go all
power
the way
bank
there
ko.
just for power?
Ito yung sa akin, no? White version. Tapos yung kanila black. Pero meron ako ng black. Hindi ko makita ko saan napunta sa bahay. Sino yung mag-drive ng Batangas para lang isuli yung power bank?
Hi, and if you guys need anything more, you guys can just message me.
Yeah, kablak po namin si Master Seti. Actually, we've already met a few times.
Oh. So, he knows about us?
Actually, pati rin po si Baby Boy, si Engineer Castillo. Tatlo kaming bunkmates ang magkasama ngayon.
Oh, well, that's nice. You guys are successful now.
Kaya naman po, ma'am.
You can just call me Elise.
Okay po. Ano po yung mga check niyo? Yung site, medyo ready pa po siya, pero kahit later niya po tingnan. May kailangan pa naman kami ayusin.
Ay, ang gwapo ni Cam.
Engineer Camero.
She's also here? Are they together?
Oo nga pala, umano po kami, engineer. May kailangan kami gawin. Di ba yung kailangan yung ano?
Yung ano?
Hi, Mr. Desma. Hi. You have a new engineer on board.
Yes. Engineer Ramos. She's one of the best engineers in BGC. Kaya namin siya sinama sa project.
We've already met before. I don't know if you remember.
Of course.
Ang
Hi,
bilis
it's
sagot,
good to
ah.
have you on this project. Thank you, Mr. Desma. This is actually a huge opportunity for me. Buti na lang sinama ko dito ni Sedi.
Nakakainis yung tingin pero parang
After all
natatawa ako.
this time,
Parang hindi ako
they're still working on each
maiinis sa pagsaselos ni Elise
Are they
dito.
dating or not?
Bakit ka nandito, Mr. Desma?
By the way, muna na ako. Kasi may kailangan pa ako tapusin eh.
Dito naman nakaramdam tong si
Excuse me,
Bianca.
Miss Ledesma.
Well, gusto ko lang tingnan kung kamusta na yung construction.
Yung construction.
Okay naman kami dito. May tanong pa po ba kayo?
Ang formal naman.
No, well, here's your power bank.
Ang hiwagang power bank.
Thank you.
Nag-drive ka papuntang Batangas para bigay lang sa akin to.
I knew he'd say that. No, I also just wanted to see the site. Baka hindi mo alam na I am very hands-on sa bawat project.
Well, if you need updates sa construction, you can just message me.
Hindi ko
I am
rin
in charge
naman.
here and don't worry, I am taking care of the workers. If you need anything, I'll update you.
Message you? Where? Like, social media?
Andyan lahat ng details. My work phone, my work email. Kung kailangan mo akong kausapin about work, message mo lang ako dyan.
Thanks. Here's mine.
Ano ba yung titigan na yan? Nakakalusaw.
By the way, kumain ka na ba?
Hindi. Pero, may dalang food si Engineer Ramos.
We should eat. I brought some food then.
Sige. Thank you.
He's kind of being masungit.
Hindi siya sanay kasi hindi mo masungit si Sebi.
Okay, I'll go now.
Ano na, Sebi?
Are you kidding me? Why the hell would I live there? We did so much there.
It's already near design and furnished.
Pre, may tanong pala ako. Alam ko na yung ngiti na yan. Kung manghihiram ka ng pera, Pas. Tanga, hindi. Ano? Hypothetical question.
Hypothetical.
Kung may pinahiram kang power bank, tapos nag-trip mo na Manila hanggang Batangas para ibalik sa'yo, ano yung ibig sabihin na? Hypothetical. Anong ha? Sino ba yan? Hypothetical question na, di ba? Eh, syempre kailangan ko malaman kung sino yung kaano-ano mo yan. Kung kaibigan mo ba yan, jowa mo ba yan, o ex mo ba yan. Kasi kung kaibigan mo yan, ibig sabihin may atraso tapos gusto bumaki sa'yo. Jowa mo naman yan, sobrang mahal na mahal ka para puntahan ka para lang magbigay ng power bank. Tapos kung ex, gusto kong makita nun, ibig sabihin may feelings pa sa'yo yun.
Ano yung ngiti? Alam mo ngiti si Gagi. Alam mo ngiti si Toyo. Alam mo ngiti si Engineer.
Hypothetical nga, di ba? Hypothetical yung pinag-uusapan natin na ibig sabihin, hindi yun hango sa totoo kung ay naman.
Basag trip din to si Arkin eh.
So, binalik pala ni Elise yung power bank na pinahiram. Uy! Elise! Si Elise yun! Diba, hypothetical ko pa, ha? Balita ko, magkatrabaho kayo, ha? Ibig sabihin, nakikita kayo lagi. Kaya pala nag-gym ka always. Ang inarami mo sinasabi, bayan ka dyan, boy. Kondisyon na kondisyon si Sebi!
Sam! Oh my God! How are you? Have a seat.
I heard you were out of the country for
Lagi sila
years.
nagkikita.
Yeah, I really wanted to travel. But ikaw, how are you? I heard that your club is doing really well. That's great.
Yeah, you should stop by. Just message me if you want to visit. I'll reserve you a table. Bring your friends too.
Alice, hi. I'm planning to go to my friend's club tonight. By any chance, are you free? My treat.
Wow, club? Tapos, libre niyo, ma'am? Siyempre, G ako. What time po? Saan? Boxing ring with a laser show. Wow.
Bakit?
Ang mamahalin to ah.
Shut up. What the hell is this?
I don't know, ma'am, pero mukhang masarap naman. Honestly, mukhang mahal.
In fairness, maganda si ano dito ah. Maganda yung Alice.
Matapang ba to?
Ako may situationship ako. But siya, she's single but she's not interested. Bye!
Seryoso kayo?
Bye-bye!
Kami, ayawan niyo? Ako namin na to. Boys na hanapin namin. Tara na.
Shot na tayo! Isa pa! Okay! Tama na to kasi may meeting. May meeting pa tayo bukas. Baka hindi ka magising. Gusto ko ba? No? Gusto ko ba? No. Okay. Last na po ah. Last na. Promise? Yes. Okay. One more!
And that's the end of my reaction video for the 13th episode of Chasing the Wild. And oo, nabitin ako. But like what I've said sa intro ko, we're down to last 4 episodes. So, guys, alam kong excited na kayo sa ending. Pero i-cherish muna natin yung mga susunod na episodes bago yung ending. Kasi kudos talaga sa Team Sitaw. Kasi stick to the book talaga sila. Kung ano yung written sa book, it is what it is. Alam niyo yung hinango talaga sila. Very consistent, very precise. Yung script, yung mga characters, kung paano nila deliver yung what is written on the book is masasabi ko na lang is, ito talaga yung na-imagine ko. 'Di ba agree kayo, guys? So, nakakatuwa kasi sobrang consistent ni Direct Top. And like I always say, I think this is the best Wattpad adaptation na napanood ko. Kasi sobrang minimal and hindi nyo pa mapapansin talaga kung ano yung mga tinanggal, kung ano yung mga binago nila dun sa book. 'Di ba? So, hindi tayo bias pero ang galing lang ng pagkaka-execute dito ni Direct Top Nazareno. So, kudos to the team Sitaw and ang gagaling ng cast. Pinaiiyak nyo ako and pinapakilig nyo ako ulit. Kasi with the past episode, diba, medyo masakit. So, may bubog pa ako ng episode 11 up until now na episode 13 na tayo. So, medyo may trust issue pa ako kung sasaktan ako kasi alam kong meron pa tayong scene na alis na naman si Elise. But anyways, I'm so excited for the next episodes, last 4 episodes, kung paano tayo papakiligin at medyo sasaktan ng konti ni Direk at ng cast ni Elise at ni Sevi dito. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you're reaching this end of my vlog and sa mga na-viewers ko dyan, kung napapanood nyo to, pag kumita tayo dito, I'll give 1 lucky subscriber of mine ng subscription kay Viva One para mapanood nyo yung The Rain in España and Safe Skies Archer, diba? Pag nakasubscribe siya. So, ayun lang. See you on my next vlog. Bye!